Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Paul Huggett. I actually work for the Electronic Sensors Photonics KTN, and I'm the Power Electronics Executive. Most of what I'm going to be talking about today is the UK funding landscape and also some of the challenges we see towards the integration of renewables and smart grid. First thing I'd like to ask everybody to try and get some audience participation. How many of you checked your mobile phones in the last 3/4 of an hour? I think there's a few more than just put their hands up.
I've got a good excuse. One of my team members just had a go.
Okay. And how many people have had power outages in the last 10 days? Yeah, I think. I think that people are more concerned at the moment about not having mobile phone coverage than they do actually about having electric lighting. One of the issues that we see in the UK is that the ministers do not want the lights to go out on their watch, and I think that personally think that is missing a trick. You don't need electric lighting. People don't necessarily need electric lighting. What they want is low voltage DC. They want low voltage DC to power their interconnected devices, and they want to be connected with their friends, their Facebook, their Twitter accounts, and their emails. And hopefully that will become a little bit clearer. So what I'm going to do is give very much a personal overview, the government landscape, where I personally fit into it, a little bit about the Technology Strategy Board, who funds all of our activities and is funding some of the UK participation today. A group called Power Electronics UK that we've been instrumental in setting up as a lobby group within the UK, representing a number of very large companies to the UK government, and then some of the energy generation and supply challenges that the power electronics community are addressing directly, and I'll also outline some of my concerns. So where do I fit? Do we have a pointer? Laser pointer. Laser pointer.
We have a laser pointer.
Okay.
You'll just have to point with your.
I'll carry on. Yeah. Well, I'm in the red box at the bottom. UK government. Below that, one of the departments, the Business Innovation and Skills, which is run by Vince Cable. They're our primary contact. We have a lot of weekly, daily contact with BIS. Alongside that is the Department of Environment and Climate Change, which, in terms of relative size of budget, is probably about the same size, if not bigger, than the Department of BIS, but we have less interaction with them. Below BIS are the research councils, and I've already met some of you who are having funding from RC UK, Joint India programs. The Technology Strategy Board, which sits, and I'll tell you a little bit more about the structure of the TSB, and UKTI, and obviously some of my colleagues here are representing UKTI. Research councils principally fund the universities, and in the funding of universities, principally the EPSRC, the Engineering and Physical Sciences Research Council, and on the other side there's direct funding for industry from BIS, from the Technology Strategy Board, and also from DEC. And in terms of renewable energy, DEC actually have very, very large budgets, and you can find it all on the internet. Where we fit in the red box at the bottom in the middle is that we actually we are some of the glue or the filling in the sandwich. We may not be the tastiest bit of the sandwich, but and so we tend to work across industries. So I work a lot with the energy generation and supply community, but I work with the defence electronics and the aviation. So what we're doing in Power Electronics is actually pulling expertise from a number of different areas and bringing some of the less traditional industries to thinking and technology to bear on what are very important burning problems to us all.